Okay, so about the FH group seat cover. Originally I was intending to put it on the middle seat, but it does not fit here in the middle seat, so you see the on this dirty stuff. But the bench rear seat fits perfectly in the back seat of a Dodge Grand Caravan there. As you can see, it fits perfectly, so in the middle part there. But I don't think I can fold this chair for now, but I can if I want to, you know, unzip the middle part there and then flip it over, but we rarely do that, so I'm not gonna fold it like that. But yeah, the middle seat won't fit, first of all because this part here is too big. It won't fit. This is too big. The back part, that's not so high, right? And then it doesn't fit. It's too small as well for the seat cushion is too small, so we need to get another brand probably, because the rear seat one doesn't fit well, but it fits perfectly for the back seats there.